Yeah, man. You already know.
This ain't even my car. They're using my music.
So, what's in here?
I think 6 Jeff Bonds. I don't know what series they are. It's 15s.
Okay.
On 2 Crescendo 5500.
Okay.
Like I said, I know nothing about this thing. It ain't even mine.
Whose is it?
It is. They built it. Watching YouTube videos.
Nice.
They got $4,000 in this thing. That's it.
Okay.
It's around. It's under 4,000. A little under.
Under 4K?
Yep.
Yeah, I got to sign your hood, man.
They find something.
We started this 5 months ago.
Started 5 months ago?
Watched some YouTube videos and bought everything off Marketplace.
Is this a fourth order?
Yes, sir.
Do you know what it's tuned to?
44.
Okay.
No,
Have you ever put?
That's 44 is the peak.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know where? Have you ever did any numbers in here?
We just did it. It did a 154.5.
Nice, man.
But it feels louder than a 154.
Yeah, man. I'd like to hear this, man.
Yeah.
What kind of alternator power you got in there?
400 or 500.
Okay, I like to take a look at that too, man.
I can't get this open. It's broke.
Ah, too much bass.
Yeah. Everything in here is broke.
Yeah, man. Let's take a listen.
One, we can help you. 2, we can allow you to help yourself. And 3, we can have you replaced.
Hey, see, I really been popping my shit on all. You playing against it? Bitch, been up there for that. Keep calling my phone. I'm like, hold on, let me check. At the spot, been like a real thing, niggas been stopping. I'm silent and stand on with us. See, I really been popping. You playing against it? I'm like, hold on, let me check. At the spot, been like a real thing, niggas been stopping. I'm silent and stand on with us. Nigga rich in my child. Everybody should be on the levels. I put triple D on my back and my foot on. Chase your bottom of the cheddar. I really know me.
Yeah, sound pretty good, man. I like that.
Yeah.
5-month bill, man.
Yeah.
Thrown together with Marketplace subs and everything. Marketplace everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Tell everybody your name.
Logan? Well, I don't know. He's the one that needs to tell his name.
Hey, where's he at?
What's your name?
Tell everybody your name,
Nikolai
man.
Frazier.
Equal Life.
Nikolai.
I was gonna say Equal Life. Wow, that's a different.
Me and my cousin built this in my garage.
Really? That's what's up, man. What's your cousin's name?
Kobe Bar.
Kobe?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. I'm Poppa T. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Hey, make sure you get down in the comments and let them know what you think about this build. Don't forget to hit that like button. Yeah, man.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, man.